In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view who has access to your reports. To do that, go to the top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. If you don't have enterprise permissions, you cannot view this information. Then click on Reports. Go to your new top menu bar and select Users. You should see a list of users. These are people like managers and schedulers who are able to view and edit reports. You can see the name of the user, which reports they have access to, their level, whether they can edit the report or only view it, and the scope, whether it was shared with them or they have enterprise level permissions and can view all reports. And to change who does and does not have access to your reports, watch the videos on how to share your reports and charts, as well as the Teamwork 5 organization role video. That's how you can see who has access to your Teamwork 5 reports. Check out the next video to learn more about your Teamwork 5 account.